Yeah, time to go to bed. Divisions by 8. You notice divisions by 8 is pretty simple. Everything's going to end like this. Why is that? Because if it's a division of 8, you need to move by 8s, right? And then after 17 is going to be 25, right? And then after 25, I shouldn't be scrambling these in here, right? I'm just going to take an odd paper and do this. So what happens when you get to 25 and then 33 and then 41 and 49 and 57, right? The moon's going to be involved in the home and the breath and everything anyways. When you do that, right, the 17 is 2.1. So the 25 is 3.125. And then the 33 is 4.1. So right away you know where we're passing in 8, 3, and 4 is a bridge. And then after that is 41. Is here. So like I said, let me see if I can fit it on this page. No, I can't. Oh, maybe up here. Okay, so we have the 25. Okay, and that'll be the equals 3.125. Right, and then the 33 will equal to the 4.125, and then the 41 equals to the 5.125. And here we reach the waters of Leo at 41. So what level is that? 1, 9, 17, 25, 33, 41, 49, 57, 60, what? 65? Is that what it is? So we 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The rhythm of 8. So we have 7 and 8, 15 equals 6. 1 and 5 equals 6. 9 and 6, 15 equals 6. 4 and 5, 9. 7 and 2, 9. 6 and 3, 9. Feminine and the masculine come together right here, and when they meet at 4.5. That's pretty simple. So that's the alligator, in the stitching of the material of this side, right, and the stitching of the material of this side. So this is that. So what is this crossover going to look like? So this is 42, and that's 42, and that's 42, the heavens of 8, and this is 90, and this is 90, and this is 90. So 42, 42 are 6, 6, 6, and 9, 9, 9. I create 18 and 27. So yeah, so I'm just fiddling this together. So I did the 9 of them, and when I get to this one here, right? This one was 4. This one was 4. So that means this one will be 5. This one will be 6 or 7. So this one's going to be 8. 8.125. And anyways, we're going to just finish this tomorrow. Raphael 70-86 in the constellation of Pegasus. Got a bunch of papers to put together. Thank you for watching this video. Alphabet, anomalies, geometric shapes, numbers, gematria, perhaps, including the zodiac and all that exists. If it has the alphabet in it, any of the letters, let's talk. If it's a number, let's talk, right? If you can say it as a word, let's talk. A musical note, well, I have to learn a little bit more. In fact, I have to learn a whole lot more. Let's talk. Good night. Raphael 70-86 in a constellation of Pegasus.